All right, gang, here's what you're going to be doing today. Pretty easy stuff. Hopefully, it's going to be a short stuff for you. So the first thing you'll do is ELA. It says here, do this first. This is just a Kahoot for you to play that you can go through and answer the questions. That kind of helps you prepare you for the test. Here's the ELA test. You'll see it around 7:30. In the morning, it should update. If it did not update and you don't see it, please refresh your screen. You're going to be finishing your social studies project. So your social studies project, remember, you're doing your brochure and you're going to use your rubrics to be able to make sure that you get the best grade possible. Because if you include the stuff there, I have to grade it for you and you're going to get all the points. So use your rubrics. So you have your rubric here and you also have this one's for the writing portion of it. So you want to make sure that everything is filled out, both sheets. So this is the front cover, this is the inside of it. You want to make sure you have your plants and your animals and your places to visit and your places to see and your activities to do. You want to all that done. And you want to go back to this rubric, this first rubric right here that tells you exactly what you need to do. What do you have? And then you could say, do I have my packing list done? Is my climate and weather on there? Do I have my landforms? Do I have my 7 interesting facts? Go through each and every single line item. And don't forget that you're doing a flip grid also. We'll get to that in just a second. Then you're going to also do a compare and contrast of New Jersey to the state in which you're using. You want to make that compare and contrast and make it a strong one. Now, again, you want to tell me what it is that you're comparing and contrasting. My state has this state does not have this. And you're going to give me all of that information. The last thing you're going to do is the flip grid. You're going to finish your flip grid. So here it says, your brochure should be completed. Complete the compare and contrast of your state of New Jersey. Create the commercial for your flip grid. Remember, you're trying to get me to go to your state. How would you do that? Keep in mind the flip grid is only viewable to me. Science. Science is pretty, it looks like a lot, but it's really not. You're going to play another Kahoot for fuel energy, to remind you to review about fuel energy. Then you're just going to look at the poster. There's an energy poster right here. Very simple. And then you're going to read along with me for page 59. It's right here. That's the video. And you're going to complete the notes pages. Please check Monday's assignment. I did put it there. So here's Monday Science. The notes pages are right here. Okay. So you could just have to make a copy of it for yourself. So, and then last but not least, you have the chemical energy slides. You're going to do that. Now we're on to math. Math is actually a little bit of a fun project that you're going to be doing. There's a video of how to do it. There's an example of how to do it. And then there's the actual project that you can do. Have fun with these things, guys. Do something fun, enjoy yourself, and then most importantly, have a fantastic holiday and make sure you get some rest and relaxation over the break and have some fun. I will see you in the new year.